good part. We all want instant gratification, but it takes time. I tell people it took a long time to get in that situation. It's going to take a couple of months to get out of it.
Right.
Yeah. You can have a little bit of homework at home to do, and everything will be fine.
Question. I need to call this person to make a pedicure. She's on the message. She said she didn't know if she has an athlete's foot.
Yeah, just have her send an email, a picture in the email.
Okay.
Oh, you're soft. You use a nice moisturizer. Alright, you can go ahead and put that foot back in the water. We're going to let that foot soak again.
I'm gonna keep trying.
They say don't quit quitting.
Nope, and that's what I'm not gonna do. I'm not gonna quit quitting. Nope. So this toenail here just really was overlapping and growing. Oh, wow.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Tonight in bed, you're going to be rubbing your feet all against each other. It's going to be all smooth. Nice.
Feels good already.
can put that foot back in the water. Well, how do they look from that angle?
They look fine. They look really good.
Good.
This is the best I have seen my toes looking in God knows when. In a very long time.
They feel good?
Yes, they do. They really do. Almost want to make me cry.
Oh.
It does. It brings tears to my eyes to see my feet look this good.
Oh, you're so sweet.
And it feels so good. Because I've been suffering with bad feet all my life. I'm feeling great about it. I mean, my toes might be growing the wrong way, but whatever, I feel good.
Good. Yeah, arthritis and bone changes can make our toes do some funny things.
Yes. I am very grateful and thankful for this.
Aw, your daughter was wonderful to treat you.
Yes, I'm happy she did. Thank God for you going on YouTube so we can find you.
Well, I say my prayers all the time to help my videos help people.
Yes. Yes. I can't believe that hook toe is gone. The hook toenail is actually gone.
Looks good, doesn't
It
it?
really do. It does. It does. I can't believe it. It's gone.
None of them hurt or they're not sore or anything?
No.
Oh, good.
Nope.
Yeah, sometimes when that skin's been covered up for so long and being squeezed for so long,
Right.
like as soon as you touch it against something, you're like,
yeah,
"Ooh, ooh,
yeah,
ooh."
you're right. That's exactly what had been happening too.
Yeah.
You're right.
It's like it hasn't felt feeling in so long.
Right. That's exactly what happens. Even, especially on this foot, even if I could keep my footies on for too long, that big toe would start hurting, so like something just pressing in my toe. And all this time, I went up a dried up skin, just skin. I didn't know skin could do that. It could cause so much pain.
Yep.
And havoc on your feet.
So you have 2 pieces of homework assignment.
Okay.
Every day when you get out of the shower, throw a towel down on the floor,
Yes.
stand on it with 1 foot to hold it into place,
Yes.
and then rub the tips of your toes on the floor against
Really?
the towel
Oh,
to
okay.
rub off all of the skin all around.
Oh, right. Okay.
Because once it gets soggy in the shower, it's got to get exfoliated off.
Right. Oh,
And,
okay.
you know, it's not very often that we lean down in the shower and scrub
True.
our
Yes.
toenails.
Okay.
So you can just rub it with the towel to get it all off.
Okay.
And then there's a product that you're going to take home with you today called
Okay.
Nail Mycosis. And you're going to put a drop on every morning and a drop on every night.
Okay.
And you're going to watch your toenails relax and flatten back out a bit.
Oh, thank God. Okay.
Yep, your nail walls will start to change direction.
So I mean, this big toenail might start laying down flat there, right?
Yeah,
Right.
it'll stop squeezing all this skin
Oh, okay.
up inside there.
Okay.
Yep. And then after it relaxes, when you come back next, I probably will have you come back actually in 4 weeks.
Okay.
Then I'll probably do a procedure where I put a little band to hold the width of it
Yeah.
in place
Mhm.
and then let it grow out from there too.
Oh, okay.